Hey there, you curious minds. I've got something that'll knock your socks off. Did you know that ChatGPT helps someone rake in a massive amount of cash? Sounds like fake news, right? But nope, it's 100% real. Want to know how? Stay tuned as we dive into the mysterious world of ChatGPT add-ons, which are not only game-changing, but are also completely free. Are you ready to unlock the power? Let's do this. Alright, so in this mind-bending video, we're going to take you on a wild ride exploring some extraordinary add-ons that'll take your ChatGPT experience to a whole new dimension. As I mentioned before, this life-altering treasure trove is absolutely free, because who doesn't love a good mystery that doesn't cost a dime? Let's embark on this thrilling journey together as we uncover the truth behind each of these mystifying add-ons and unleash their untapped power. First up, let me introduce you to the game changer, the pièce de résistance, the proton torpedo, the ChatGPT writer. Picture this, ChatGPT integrated across the web, making your online experience smoother than a hot knife through butter. That's right, ChatGPT Writer brings the power of ChatGPT to all your favorite websites and platforms, making it easier than ever to draft emails, comments, and more. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about Merlin? Isn't that supposed to be the ultimate AI writing tool? Well, hold your horses there, folks. While Merlin is a great tool, ChatGPT Writer takes the crown when it comes to versatility and ease of use. It's like the Swiss Army knife of AI writing tools, giving you the power to tackle any writing task with confidence. Toothpick not included. Now let's talk about setting up the ChatGPT Writer. It's as easy as pie that you get from the store, not that you have to bake, because then it'd be complicated. Simply install the add-on and create a shortcut for instant access. No more fumbling around trying to get things set up. With ChatGPT Writer, you're just a few clicks away from writing magic. Talk about top decking. So what are some real-life use cases for ChatGPT Writer? Well, imagine you're browsing your favorite forum or social media platform and want to leave a witty comment. With ChatGPT Writer, you can quickly generate a response that'll make your fellow users chuckle. Or maybe you need to respond to an important email, but you're feeling a little brain fried. No worries. ChatGPT Writer has your back, helping you craft a professional response in no time. So gather around me, hearties, because it's time to meet the ultimate search companion. We're talking about ChatGPT for search engines. This mind-blowing add-on's got you covered by displaying its results right next to your search engine results. It's like having a personal AI assistant who knows exactly what you're looking for and serves up tailored results just for you. Talk about a match made in heaven, and I'm not talking about peanut butter jelly time either. But wait, there's more! ChatGPT for search engines isn't just a one-trick pony. It offers a smorgasbord of settings that you can tweak and customize to your heart's content. Want to see more AI-generated results? No problem. Prefer a more minimalistic approach? You got it. With this add-on, you're the boss. You can even set filters to control the type of content generated by ChatGPT, ensuring that your search engine results are always on point and don't raise any eyebrows at work. Alright, now hold on to your hats, friends, because we're not done yet. ChatGPT for search engines also brings you some extra goodies like prompt templates. These ready-made prompts help you fine-tune your search queries to get even more relevant results from ChatGPT. So, whether you're looking for a creative idea, an in-depth analysis, a quick fact-check, or a new master duel strategy, these prompt templates are here to help you make the most of your search experience. Plus, you can save your favorite templates for easy access, making your search sessions even more efficient. Wondering about some real-life use cases for ChatGPT for search engines? Picture this. You're researching a topic for a school project or work presentation and you need some fresh insights. With ChatGPT for search engines, you can easily generate a list of unique ideas backed by AI-powered analysis that'll make your project stand out. Or maybe you're on the hunt for a fun fact to impress your friends. Just type in your query, choose a prompt template, and let ChatGPT for search engines do the heavy lifting, and then BAM! Now you know that the platypus glows in the dark. Are you ready to step into the future, my friends? Say hello to Prompteus, the add-on that lets you control ChatGPT using the sweet, sweet sound of your voice. That's right, you can now give your fingers a well-deserved break and let your voice do the talking. Literally. So, how exactly does Prompteus work? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Install the add-on, set it up, and you're ready to rock the mic. With Prometheus, you can generate ChatGPT responses, ask questions, or even write entire articles just by speaking your mind. It's like having a conversation with your very own AI buddy. I named mine ChatGPT. But what about real-life use cases, you ask? Well, imagine you're on the go and need to jot down a quick idea or note. With Prometheus, all you have to do is speak your thoughts and ChatGPT will turn them into a well-crafted text. Or maybe you're feeling extra creative and want to brainstorm some ideas for your next project. Just start chatting with Prometheus and watch the magic happen as ChatGPT generates a whirlwind of innovative ideas for you to explore. And let's not forget about accessibility. Prometheus is a game changer for users with mobility impairments or those who prefer voice input over typing. It levels the playing field, making ChatGPT accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Alright, all you video lovers out there, this one's for you! Introducing YouTube Summary, the add-on that takes the hassle out of summarizing your favorite YouTube videos. It's like having your very own AI-powered personal assistant who's always ready to give you the highlights. So let's talk about how YouTube Summary works its magic. This add-on takes care of the summarizing process for you, analyzing videos and generating a concise, easy-to-digest summary. No more skimming through hours of content to find the nuggets of wisdom you're looking for. YouTube Summary has you covered. Oh, and the fun doesn't stop there. With YouTube Summary, you can take your summaries to the next level by listening to them on naturalreader.com. Just copy and paste the summary into Natural Reader and let the soothing AI voice fill your ears with knowledge. It's perfect for when you're on the go, multitasking, or just want to give your eyes a break. Now, I hope you're enjoying this thrilling journey into the world of ChatGPT add-ons. If you're finding these revelations as fascinating as I am, click that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel to uncover more enigmas with us. Alright, let's continue unraveling these mysteries, shall we? Onward to the next discovery, ChatGPT. Are you ready for some cutting-edge AI action? And I don't mean sentient battlebots. Let me introduce you to ChatGPT, the add-on that fetches the most recent information from the web and serves it up on a silver platter just for you. Say goodbye to outdated info and hello to fresh up-to-the-minute knowledge. ChatGPT is all about customization, giving you the power to tailor your AI experience to your specific needs. Want to focus on the latest news? You got it. Wonder when the next Metroid game's coming out? Bet. Need some up-to-date stats for your project? ChatGPT is on the case. This add-on is designed to make your life easier and more informed, one search at a time. Alrighty, so let's dive into some real-life use cases for ChatGPT. Let's say you're working on a research paper or presentation and you need the most current information on a particular topic. With ChatGPT, you can easily gather the latest data, trends, and insights to make your work stand out. Or maybe you're a sports fan who wants to stay updated on the latest scores, game highlights, and player news for your fantasy league. ChatGPT is your one-stop shop for all things current, keeping you in the loop like never before. Alright, my AI-loving friends, it's time to take your ChatGPT experience to a whole new level with chat.did. This mind-blowing add-on lets you have a face-to-face conversation with ChatGPT, bringing your AI interactions to life like never before. So how does chat.did work? Now, it's simple. This add-on uses cutting-edge technology to generate a virtual face for ChatGPT, allowing you to see and interact with the AI as if you were having a real conversation. It's like having a chat with your favorite sci-fi character right in the comfort of your own home. Lightsabers not included. So to get started with chat.did, all you have to do is visit chat.d-in.com and create an account. That's d-in.com, spelled exactly as it sounds. Don't worry though, the link is in the description. Alright, from there, you can dive into the world of AI face-to-face conversations, exploring everything ChatGPT has to offer in a whole new way. Whether you want to practice your language skills, brainstorm ideas, or just have a friendly chat, chat.did is here to make your ChatGPT experience more immersive and engaging than ever before. Man, talk about a ride! We've explored some awesome ChatGPT add-ons that'll take your AI experience to new heights. So let's do a quick recap, shall we? We've got the ChatGPT Writer, which is the versatile writing tool for all your online needs. We've got ChatGPT for search engines, the ultimate search companion. We've got Prompteus, the voice-activated AI wonder. We've also got YouTube Summary, which is your go-to video summarizer. We also have Web ChatGPT, the fresh source of up-to-date information. And finally, we've got Chat.did, the face-to-face AI conversation starter. Talk about a powerhouse lineup. But our AI adventures don't stop here. There are lots of other fantastic AI tools available for you to explore, like text-to-speech generators, content analysis tools, and more. The world of AI is vast and ever-evolving, so make sure you keep an eye on the sky and watch out for the latest and greatest innovations.